Okay. Well, as you can see all that there? That's all a bunch of coolant. My radiator's busted. So we're stuck out here in the middle of the desert, and there's nothing around anywhere. So me and my buddy here, Corey, we're making a fire out of nothing because we watched Survivor Man, and we found some tinder. As you can see there, we got some tinder. We got some Joshua tree bark. We got some cattails that makes for excellent tinder. We found some other stuff in there. We found these melons. We got melons, just a little patch of melons over there. You can see. And then I'll show you what we're going to eat. We took apart this Joshua tree, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on here on this fancy TV thing, but it is just teeming with termites. Tons of termites in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a fire to get as many of these termites together as we can, and hopefully have a warm night, and eat those, get some protein. We figured that we might get dehydrated, so we're sending my dad into town to get some beer. And so yeah, I'll get Corona. Get lime too. So yeah. So we're gonna try and survive here with just what we have out here in this desert, which isn't much.
Hey, all right.
There's nothing for miles. So I'll come back with round 2 of this video and show you a fire, and then we're gonna go try and find some lizards, or maybe some little field mice or something. And I see a little bird over there. You want to go try and kill it?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're gonna have to find the rock. Hang on. The bird just took off. There he goes.
You didn't go far.
Not far, yeah. All right, Corey. You think you're good with that rock?
I think I'm good.
All right. Oh, there's another one right here. We're gonna get some food. Oh man, there's tons of these little birds here. I might try and make some netting out of. See, Corey, don't waste our melons. See, these are the melons we found out here. I'm not sure if they're edible,
We'll find out.
We're gonna find out. It's our worst case scenario. But right over there in that creosote. Oh, that was a bad throw. One of our melons is gone now. Either which way, we're out here in the Sierra Mountains, and we're surviving Survivor style. And I don't know. I'm starting to see things. I mean, there's no one around. We have no vehicles. We have no way of getting into town. Oh shit. I don't know. We're trying to survive. I'm not worried about where your glasses are. See if you can get that beer, the beer jerky in line. I'd be happy. Hang on. Dad, you're ruining our survival video. They're gonna know that we have a way out. Hang on. Let me look through your fucking glasses. Unlock the door.
This is crazy fucking shit.
Here's your glasses. Alright. I'm gonna have to take my hat just in case it gets too, you know how the elements out here get kind of crazy out here in the middle of the desert. So let's go find some food. It's kind of stupid of me to be wasting all of my battery on my cell phone, because it would be nice to be able to call for help, but this just has to be documented. Oh man, here we go. Look at that hole. If we can find some good-sized ants in there, we can eat them.
Protein, right?
Yes. Let's see if we can find some good-sized ants out of here. Go ahead, start probing. Well, let's call it quits for right now and see what this guy wants in the truck. No, he's got stickers. Yeah, I think we're getting in trouble right now. Nope, that guy can care less that we're stuck out here with no food. Either which way, I'll come back after we get our fire going, if it's possible, with our tinder. Scat. We found scat. This is a good sign. Looks like there's coyotes. Coyotes out here somewhere. Let me get something to poke it with.
As you can tell.
Oh, that's not fresh scat.
It's furry, so he's a carnivore.
He's a carnivore. I don't know where that drywall came from, but you know what? Look at this. It's amazing. There's a lizard right there. There is. See him? Follow that branch. See him right there?
Oh, I see him. That's food.
He's gonna go back in there. That's his home.
That's dinner.
He's gonna go back in there to try and hide from us, and we're gonna catch him. So let's get a little closer. See him on video. I don't think he's camera show. Oh, where are you going, dude? Now I see how hard it is for Survivor Man to do all this while filming, because I've only got one hand, and it's going to be hard to catch our dinner with just one hand like this. I'm gonna flip this log. You went that way? Are those grubs? No, it's not. You find that lizard, man. He's gonna be some good eating. Oh fuck, spider webs. I ain't going over there, dude. Alright, once again, this time we're signing off for real. I'll sign back in when we're eating food after we make our fire from nature. This is Corey.